Okay, yeah. Okay, let's get through some.
Yes, family, we're in Aburi Botanical Gardens. And family, we're still in Ghana, West Africa, having another journey of a lifetime. And check out the nature at this historic Botanic Gardens. Everything is planted here. I mean, you are in nature.
We just want to watch.
And family, to show you this tree, the big tree.
Just believe that this tree was planted by one of the British governors. Now, what happened? Now, I'll take it. If you have time, we'll go to a place called Presidential Lawn. And that presidential law, any president that comes to Ghana goes there to plant a tree.
Oh, I believe that.
Goes there to.
The British governors, huh?
Yeah, because they were using this. I told you that Europeans like this place because of the weather conditions. So they come here to rest. And this place was a sanitarium, a big area. And then they started to train the botanists. Their school is just down there. The only botanist school in Ghana is just down here. Yeah, and this place are the dormitories and other things that they when they come to sleep in. So they decided to have a garden. In fact, the garden itself is a very big area, but only few portion was cultivated. The rest of them is a forest just down here. Yeah. So this tree, it is believed. I wasn't there, so I always say it's believed that God in Godisberg, yeah, he planted thus. And then this tree is a tree that has been there for years, from generation. Lady Knoxford tree. They said they name it after Sir Godisberg's wife, Lady Knoxford, and the tree is called Knoxford tree. Meanwhile, it's a silk cotton tree or kapok tree.
So no one knows how old this tree is. Huh?
Oh, unless they
estimated 450
over 400 years. So
we were all here back then.
yeah. So if 450 years, that was the time they calculated. So by now it has been more than 450 years. So if this signpost was put there 5 years ago, it will not be 450 years. It will be more than that. Yeah. Okay, let's go down there, please.
How's life, my man?
Yes, brother, everything is well.
Yeah.
We're here for another exciting journey of a lifetime.
I can see. And your man is doing well. Because I standing down there and I hear he's doing well.
Yes, absolutely. You know, we are reconnecting people to the ancestral land, giving them all of the roots and culture and energy to build up on the movement. The tree of life.
So this tree is still growing. Take a picture with me.
That's really smart because you can wrap it around and do stuff.
No, it was one big tree, just one big tree, and you know, when the tree dies off, it dries up. So you see this gentleman behind me, this guy behind me. He and his boss, his master, they came to just to reshape or redesign it. And this is our history. It talks about tradition, it talks about history, it talks about our culture, and a whole lot of things. Yeah. Wow. Now, look at this from here. So what does it tell you? Just this place, just here.
Like somebody holding each other up. like lifting each other.
Exactly.
Yes.
So meaning that when one is falling, we are in a family and one is falling, we have to support that person to come up. When we have many countries and the other countries is falling, we have to support the country to come up. Yeah. They push you to attain your heights. You have the technology, someone have a strength somewhere. You use your technology to push that person. The person also uses strength to push you who has the technology for us all to get up there.
So this is the nation building tree.
Oh yeah?